To do this, you can do a sponsorship deal with them, or you can extend them offers. Some influencers will take up offers like giveaways. You give them some amount of product, they do a review on them, and then they give the product to the customers. Giveaways are an excellent way to get into the social media marketing, because people will share to get the product. And let's be honest, who doesn't like a free product? If they'll get it for free, there's a more chance of liking them and purchasing it more. Your main goal would be to target your specific targeted customers, the potential customers, to look at the potential customers, to engage with them and turn them into potential buyers. You have to make them into a buyer mindset, why they should care about you. So getting started and getting your first impression right would be the most important thing. So for this, I hope these 5 tips help. For rundown, I'll give you a rundown. The first thing you should do: identify your goals, what you want to do, how much you want to do, when you want to do. You know the specific things. Identify your audience, who your audience is, who your product is for, who might be interested in your products. Third thing is choose the right platform for you, for your community, and for your product. Get to the right community where your product will be appreciated, and people who might be interested in your product. Get in touch with those communities. Qualified manager people, I cannot stress this enough, but get your people right. Put the right person in the right place. That should be one of the topmost priorities. And five, get the influencers to engage with your products, or get them to do an advert or a sponsorship deal with you, because that would be a great way. So these are the 5 ways. Keep them in mind. Hope that helps you. Thank you.